Today we're going to be checking out the AI face of Faceless videos. Now if you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. We're also going to be having a look at another AI which is similar, and we're going to be checking out the price differences. And you'll be seeing why I prefer this particular one over the other one. Now if you'd like to learn a little bit more about what I'm talking about, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Okay, well if you've been a member of my channel, you'll know that I often like to go straight to the pricing because I know that's what a lot of people are actually interested in. Okay, so over here in HeyGen, you'll see why I like HeyGen over Synthesia. Now, I'll also show you Synthesia's price after I show you HeyGen's. Now, in the free version, you get 3 videos per month, up to 3 minutes per video, and you can export at 720p definition. Also, instant avatars, one instant avatar, AI trust and safety, share and export videos, and standard video processing. But it also, in the free version, makes you have a watermark. Now over here in the creator section, which is $24 a month or $288 a year, you get to create for unlimited videos. Unlimited videos. You get videos for up to 5 minutes at a time instead of 3 minutes. And the best part about that is if you were to create, say for example, you wanted to create a 10-minute video, you can do that. In fact, you can just create two 5-minute videos and butt them together to make a 10-minute video. 1080p export, which is what you really want if you wanted to put that up into YouTube or somewhere like that. Or if you wanted to create a sales video, or you wanted to create some sort of video where you have someone talking to the audience. Everything in the free version, 3 instant avatars, watermark removal, and fast video processing. $69 a month, you create all of this as above. Videos up to 30 minutes long. Export in 1080p. Now you might find that this is the way you want to go. Everything in the creator, multi-use workspace, roles, permissions, brand kits, and fast video processing. Now let's have a look at, now remember the thing I like the best part about this is creates unlimited videos. Now let's go and have a quick look at Synthesia. Now Synthesia in the video editor there gives you 36 minutes of videos per year for the free version, per year. It's 140 languages and voices, 60 video templates and images and video uploads. Over here you get 1 editor and 3 guests, 125 avatars, 3 personal avatars, and this is the part that I hate the most. 120 minutes of videos per year, not unlimited. 120 minutes, that's only 2 hours a year. You can't create YouTube videos with that. Then you got, or pretty much anything else, really, when you really think about it. If you wanted to do that on a regular basis, then this is very, very limited. Avatar builder, AI video assistant, and personal avatars. Now, you also get personal avatars here in HeyGen as well. If I wanted to, I could then add avatars. Going over here, I can add my own avatar, which here, create instant avatars. And I can create one if I wanted to. Now over here, going back to the home section, as you can see, I'm in the middle of creating a video right here. Now let me show you what one looks like. I'm just going to hit this and you'll see what I'm talking about. Let's have a quick look at this. This is one I previously created.
Hey guys, Henry here from EasyTube Profits. We're dedicated to helping you make money on YouTube, even before you're monetized. We share tips and tricks, do review videos, and explore different strategies to boost your earnings. If that sounds interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's go check it out. Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to talk about how to edit PLR products using AI.
So as you can see, you can have it to change angles, positions, as well as looking at the camera. And it can be, you can also add backgrounds to it if you wish to. Now let's go and have a quick look at how to use this. Now all you really need to do is go create video, and you have various options right here. You can start from scratch, start with a template, start with PowerPoint or PDF, or create script with AI. Now if you create a script with AI, all you have to do is do that, and then you can put down the topic. You can talk about English or whatever else. You can have it different type of tone. You can call this one, say for example, excited or whichever. And then you can add additional information just here. And that will then allow you to be able to generate a script, and it'll take it up to the 3-minute mark. I don't know if the pro version will allow you to create take it up to 5 minutes, but I suspect it will. My suggestion would be get ChatGPT to create a 10-minute video for you, and then break it up to 2 or 3 videos if you have to. Then butt them together so that you have a complete video. If you want to, you can also add B-roll to your video and so forth to make it far more interesting. Let's have a quick look here. I'm just going to type something in here, and when I'm finished doing that, we'll then have it create the video for us. I'm just going to pause the video while I do that. Okay, so what I actually did was I wrote, create a script about how to edit PLR ebooks using AI, and how you can turn your ebook into a video course that can be sold on places like JVZoo. And the extra information I also got it to say, go excited for the tone. And when you write the words ChatGPT, write chat.g.p.t. And when you write the word AI, write it like a.i. And all I'm going to do is hit generate, and in just a few minutes, it will then create the script. And as you'll see, it'll write about probably around about 6 lines or 7 lines. There you go, 8 lines, that's fine. And each one of those will be a new scene. Then all we need to do is go create video. And what we can do is we can now choose the person we want. Right here, I'm going to click on him, and I'm going to go over here to avatars. Then I'm going to go over here to studio avatars. Then I'm going to scroll down to, say, this gentleman just here, and I'm going to click him on there. And I'm going to just click this one again, click on him, I'm going to choose him. And do the same for this gentleman. Now I'm going to change the angle a little bit so it makes it a bit more interesting. Have him facing forward again. There we are. Then we can have this one to going forward again. And this one will go on an angle. This one facing forward. And then you just grab this little bar at the bottom and take it to the end till you get to the last frame. There we are, that'll do. There we go, that's the 8th frame. And we can have him facing forward again. There we have it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to now choose the voiceover. Let's go over here to the script. And as you'll see, it's going to come up with a voiceover, and this one is Ryan, so this is not the one I want to use. The one I like to use is Tarquin, so I'll click on Tarquin. And I'll just do the same with all of the frames. Go on that. In fact, what I might even do is, while I'm here at Tarquin, is I'll favorite it. There we go, hit favorite. Hopefully it'll then make it a bit easier. Okay, so Tarquin. And we'll just keep using Tarquin in this particular case. Till we get to all the scenes, and once we've done that, we'll be right to keep going. Then we'll pause the video and let it finish its thing, let it actually create the video all the way through. Now that should be all the scenes, and that should be roughly about, this is actually only making 1 and a bit minutes, so that's fine. Now let's have a quick listen to what this is like, and we'll hear it. Now what will happen is when you look at this, this will be a still image, but once you process it, and you hit submit, it will then create the entire video for you. So let's just have a quick look at this.
Welcome to today's video, where I'm going to show you how to edit PLR ebooks using AI technology and transform them into profitable video courses that you can sell on popular platforms like JVZoo.
Okay, so I'm happy with that. Now let's just go submit. And what you can do is you can give it the file name with AI editing, and we'll keep everything as is, and then we hit submit, and in a little while it will create the scenes, and we'll be right back. I'm just going to pause the video till then. just briefly, I want to be able to show you that you can actually use this for YouTube videos. Now, this one here is actually a HeyGen video. This part here is done by HeyGen, and I would assume that a lot of this is also created using Pictory. So have a quick look at this.
You'll know that I don't like paying for too many subscriptions. Just think about it. ChatGPT costs about $20 a month. Claude AI costs about $20 a month. Gemini.
So as you can see, that was done by AI. And if you scroll through, you can see that she pops in and out all the way through. Okay, just give me a second. There we are. That's her just there. And of course, she's AI generated. Or at least her motions and everything are
models and generate images. You'll need to pay around or above $100.
It may well be that she has uploaded her own video or her own image of herself, and then they're using that. I'm not 100% certain. But I do know that they are using AI generated videos to do this. Now, one thing I will say is they've only got 13,000 subscribers, but I would assume that right now they are currently monetized, even though they're using AI. Let's go back and see how it's going. Okay, it's now finished. That took approximately 20 minutes, give or take. Now let's have a quick look at what this is like. So it goes for, as you can see, the video goes for 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Here we go. Let's have a quick look at this. I'm going to expand it up so you can have a better look at it. And we'll hit play.
Welcome to today's video, where I'm going to show you how to edit PLR ebooks using AI technology and transform them into profitable video courses that you can sell on popular platforms like JVZoo. If you're looking to monetize your PLR ebooks in a unique and engaging way,
we can now move that across and you can see it changes angles.
Use a reliable AI software such as ChatGPT.
Go back over here. Keep going until it changes back. And it just looks like it just changes camera angles, which is awesome. So as I said, it's 20, it's actually, I made that. Okay, so $24 a month, or if you wanted to do, that's paid yearly, or if you want to do monthly, it's $29 a month, depending on how you want to do it. I'm thinking I might go to $29 a month, but you can do yearly if you want to. It's cheaper in the end. All right, guys. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? Also, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of HeyGen and the pricing. Isn't that amazing? Also, to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here, well, that's an image of my head. And if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.